I want to take this opportunity to address Karim Khan, the International Criminal Court, ICC prosecutor's visit to Kenya. I know your visit amounts to investigating into crimes against humanity. As you are aware, that our people were killed, they were butchered, they were tortured, murdered in large numbers. And I want to advise you that Karim Khan, you are not the best person to investigate into this matter because of conflict of interest. Conflict of interest amounts when a person's personal interest may not act in the best interest of another person, or rather a person's personal interest may hinder or predetermine his judgment. And predetermination is a type of a conflict of interest. Why am I saying so? Because some time back, when President Ruto was at ICC, you represented him. Therefore, what do we expect as Kenyans if you are the person who is going to investigate into crimes against humanity, the murders, the torture that has occurred in Kenya? This amounts to professional misconduct. I would now take this opportunity to advise you to appoint other prosecutors to come to Kenya to investigate these matters. And you don't have to go far. We've already provided you with sufficient evidence, and we've told you those who murdered our people, those who tortured our people. As you leave Kenya, if you are serious with this matter, as you leave Kenya, there is KQ, Kenya Airways. Make sure you don't leave the challenges facing Kenyans in Kenya. Carry them with you. Carry Koome with you. Carry Gachagua with you. Carry Ruto with you. Those are the problems facing Kenyans. Make sure you go with them back to ICC. Otherwise, coming here as a PR exercise will never be tolerated.